Berto.
Berto Villa? Oh, okay.
Who's this from?
From Georgia.
Josh?
Uncle
Josh?
Uncle Josh here.
Uncle Josh is really nice, huh? He's a nice guy, yes. He is.
Where does Uncle Josh live at?
At Washington's.
Yes, he does.
Yes, he does.
Oh my goodness.
That's Polar Express.
It's not a Polar Express.
You
You will get Polar Express till Christmas. Watch out. Watch yourself.
Sit down, watch out.
Okay, I'm gonna flip it upside down and make it come out, okay? Ready?
Oh,
Oh!
my goodness, what is it?
That's awesome sauce.
I wanted that the semi.
Yeah,
You got the semi, yeah, but
Now you got
look,
the
now you got the helicopter.
Look at that. Look, wait. Look at that.
Oh,
you
my
got the dog?
goodness.
That's RoboDog.
Do you love it?
Tell Josh, say thank you, Uncle Josh.
Thank you, Uncle Josh.
Blowing mooches. Berto. Blowing mooches. Oh, is this spider?
I got it.
Berto. Blow Uncle Josh mooches.
I got it, Bruno.
Where's the button?
I got it. I killed it. Hang on, I'm going to take it out for you, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The foot opens.
It opens?
Yeah,
It does open.
The foot opens right here.
Yes, it does, so that the dog, what's his name?
RoboDog.
RoboDog can get in there and drive the... Bleh, I can't even talk.
Fly the plane.
The plane.